In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to remove the document feeder for the C80 model family. I'll show you what to unplug, and I'll show you where to plug in the cords exactly in order to replace your document feeder correctly. First, what we'll do is we'll go towards the back of the machine and we'll go ahead and take this right off. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unlatch this guide right here like so, and we're going to untwist these. Loosen both of them up, and then we'll pull this plug out like so. Next, we're going to go ahead and take this plug out next. For this one, we'll need to take this screw off here and this screw right here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this one here like so. Then we'll just follow the guide. In here, there's a little white tab that you'll go ahead and unlatch the guide from. And then we can remove this one, same with here. Next, what we're going to aim for are these. One right here, one right here. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and unlatch them. Alright, so in order to take it off, you're going to want to do is pull back, slide all the way like so, and then you'll see that you'll be able to take it off like so. To boot back on, just want to make sure you line it up like so and push forward. Now we'll just reverse our steps. We'll go ahead and re-add these on each side.